Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Way Park. I hope you all are fine. Today I'm showing you some different ideas of giant flowers. You can decorate your walls and your party wears and different places with these giant flowers. As you can see, these are very beautiful and amazing. So viewers, if you watch my video for the first time, then please subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon for more updates and notifications. And also share it to your friends and family for more updates. You can ask any question about this video in comment section. So viewers, remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz. Take care.